Our next unit is cubic centimeters, or cc's. Now, a cubic centimeter is if you take a centimeter and cube it. So let me try to draw a cube here. And each side is 1 centimeter long. So 1 cc is equal to 1 ml. So that means that cc's and ml's are equivalent. So 8 milliliters is equal to 8 cc because they're the same. Now if we look at number 11, they want us to convert 4 liters to cc's. So I like to just think mLs. And if you're converting liters to mLs, you're moving it 3 places to the right. So that would be 4,000. Kind of a trick to remember this is some people like to put cc's above the m. So just like the U stands for grams, liters, and meters, the M for milli, if it's milliliters, that is where the cubic centimeters are at. So if you want to put cc above the M, that could be a good idea.